Introduction. Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the fall of the Indian economy due to the pandemic. As we all know, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused unprecedented disruptions across the globe, affecting businesses and economies. India, being one of the largest economies in the world, has also been impacted severely. In this video, we will cover every topic related to the fall of the Indian economy due to the pandemic. Impact on GDP. The pandemic has hit India's GDP hard. In the first quarter of 2020 to 2021, India's GDP contracted by 23.9% due to the nationwide lockdown. This was the first time that India's GDP contracted in 40 years. The lockdown led to a significant drop in economic activity, which in turn affected the growth of many industries, including manufacturing, services, and construction. Unemployment. The pandemic has also caused a rise in unemployment in India. The lockdown led to the closure of many businesses, which resulted in job losses. The unemployment rate in India increased from 6.7% in February 2020 to 23.5% in April 2020. Although the unemployment rate has come down since then, it is still higher than the pre-pandemic levels. Impact on small businesses. Small businesses have been hit the hardest by the pandemic. With the lockdown and the economic slowdown, many small businesses were forced to shut down permanently. According to a report by the International Labour Organization, about 400 million people working in the informal economy in India are at risk of falling deeper into poverty due to the pandemic. Impact on agriculture. The pandemic has also affected the agricultural sector in India. With the closure of mandis and restrictions on transportation, farmers faced difficulties in selling their produce. The lockdown also disrupted the supply chain, leading to shortages and price hikes. Government response. The Indian government has taken several measures to revive the economy. The government announced a stimulus package of 20 lakh rupees crore, which included measures such as credit guarantees for small businesses, liquidity support for non-banking financial companies, and reforms in the agriculture sector. The Reserve Bank of India has also taken several measures, including reducing the repo rate and providing liquidity support to banks. Conclusion. In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has caused a significant impact on the Indian economy. The GDP contracted, unemployment rose, and small businesses were hit the hardest. However, the government has taken several measures to revive the economy, and the economy is expected to recover in the coming years. It is important for us to continue following COVID-19 protocols